At supper, we try to treat vegetables with great respect, using butter of Europe to make a good brown butter, almost to a vanilla essence, and whole roasting the cauliflower in the brown butter, and then pureed with a touch of cream, some whole French butter, as well as a little bit of the brown butter, and then served with another salad that had grains of freekeh, some fresh figs, some pickled collini, cauliflower as well, some nasturtiums, and shiso. Butter of Europe is as important as salt and pepper in the kitchen. The higher fat content is our favorite, and I would say probably 90% of our purchases are good French butter. We love a good grilled cheese sandwich, and butter of Europe is a primary component to start this with. Some good sourdough, cooking it on the plancha. I'm a big fan of an aged, mature cheddar, and pairing that up with our house-made ham. The local touch we add to it are some apples as well as a burned honey mustard to create this grilled ham and cheese sandwich that for us is next level and quite popular for lunch.